IS3000 on the B9 Audi A4 Quattro. If you checked out part one and the funnier or the kind of like the more useless part 1.5, I gave you an overview on what these brakes were like, to have them installed, to test them out on the street, what they sound like because they do screech a lot. And right now I'm on my way to Willow Springs. We're gonna have a full-blown track day, even amidst this COVID-19. We're gonna practice obviously our own safety there, just make sure everybody maintains and adheres to 6 feet apart, no group setting, no classroom training either. So with that being said, we're really excited to actually share with you guys what these brakes are doing in a real test on track. See if they can actually put up with track temperatures, track usage, track abuse, call it whatever you will. And I'm also curious to see, just how far I could stretch the car in maybe minimizing my my braking distance, maybe late braking before corners or whatnot. So I'm going to be sure to give you guys a full-blown review, after some of the track footage that I share with you, and maybe some other commentary that you might find in the video. Really excited to share this with you guys. Hopefully these pads hold up to what they're as advertised. I'm not looking for anything extraordinary, but if I could get them to perform as advertised, I think we have a winner set right here. And the next set will be the IS4000. We'll give that a shot as well. But let's see how the 3500 or the 3000, the 3000s hold up. And we'll go from there. So thanks again for tuning in. Stick around. Let's see what kind of track footage we can capture today. Just drove the car, I think 4 or 5 sessions on track already, and the brake pads are holding up really well. I'm a little out of breath because it's really hot here, but also, actually I want to show you guys this. This car just completely blew my mind. It's bone stock, just has the Goodyear Supercar 3R tires. I just put a pretty quick lap down, and for the first time in the car, it was just insanely balanced and pretty well, it's a pretty well behaved car. So that's the girlfriend's. She's been driving, she's about to take mine out for a spin. No brake fade, nothing at all. So let's see what happens with it. Tires are kind of on their last life. I think this is my 5th or 6th heat cycle with them. So I think we're gonna need new tires this coming week. And yeah, gonna post a couple of more in-car videos and some outside the car at turn 4. You'll probably see the Giulia just rolling through the corners. So stick around, take a look at that, see what you think. Let me know in the comments below what tires you guys use on track and on your street car, right? Not a race car, because we all know the Hoosier R3 R7s. Let me know what kind of tires you guys use on the track and how many heat cycles you've been able to get out of them. And as far as brakes go, I mean, very happy with the IS3000. Loud as all hell, but I mean, they hold up pretty damn well. And I haven't felt any brake fade. The pedal's not spongy at all. And I mean, I've just been, you know, just abusing the car. So I'll put up a couple of in-car videos of the Giulia. I'm going to try to get an in-car video of the A4 as well a little later today. Really nice day and nice weather. So I want to summarize just what happened yesterday at the racetrack. You know, I got the Giulia mixed in there, you know, the tires got mixed into the video. Unfortunately, my tires are done, but this video is about the brakes. It's about the IS3000s, and I mean, I got to be honest with you guys, they've held up so very well on track. I think even after like our 6th or 7th session, because we used the car in both beginner and intermediate groups, because my girlfriend and I just switched a couple of times. We really worked these brakes within the day, and you know, even though Willow Springs isn't too hard on brakes, I mean, we faded, we felt brake fade, and we felt them. We felt this the pedal sponge up. None of that happened. It just felt like, you know, right after installing the brakes, always a firm pedal, really smooth, really nice, and a very, very quick to bite setup. So you know, funny enough, as much as I hate to say it, I was out there having fun. I did not pay attention to how much later I was braking. I wasn't trying to improve lines. It was just we just had fun. Like, it was just a fun track day. Just no exercise, no learning, just going through the corners, going a little faster, just getting away from the real world. But I don't know if I have to review my own in-car videos later on just to see if I was braking any later or, you know, any shorter of a distance. But I mean, it's just exciting. So these are going to be reused yet again on the track, because the path held up. They're fine. Well, there's no abnormal wear. But funny enough, my rotors are going down pretty bad. So my rotors are starting to develop a really 36,000 miles, not one time, not a millimeter of lip, and these pads go on as natural. You know, they're a harsher compound, so it's probably a harder pad than the surface of the rotor. So I mean, it's just basic science at that point. The harder one's going to cut the softer one. So got to blow a little money and order brake rotors, and they stick to OEMs because they're fantastic. I don't see a reason why we should go for anything else. The pads, when it's time to replace them, we're gonna do the IS4000, and then we'll just start this video over again. And, you know, if you guys like this, like the video on brake pads, I mean, I don't know who makes videos on brake pads, but if you guys like these videos, I mean, I would love to do the same for the 4000s. So just stay tuned, you know, so stay on the channel. I do appreciate your support. I'm gonna look to make a few other videos outside of the braking, but we have something exciting coming up, so that's part 3 to follow this one. Yeah, I mean, subscribing and your likes and, you know, comments, likes, dislikes, and just any indication of whether you like this channel and its content or not is always a good idea. So do appreciate your guys' support. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Let me know in the comments below what kind of brake pads you run, what kind of tires you run on track. You know, have you seen anything different? If you do use what I use on your A4, have you seen any different results? Share that with me. I'd love to know. Like, I don't have enough people I know that actually track their A4s. Oh, Stav, Malacca Motorsport. Biggest surprise of all, we're about to pack up and leave. We turn around, Stav standing there, just happened to surprise visit us, and it was the best part of the day. So I asked Stav if he would ride along with me, and he kept saying that he's scared of fast cars, and literally made every one of us feel like shit because he owns the fastest car of all. So we went around a couple of laps with Stav, which was awesome to see him. George, you're ever in the neighborhood, man, you should do the same kind of surprise. This was a lot of fun. Lots of shit talking, lots of good information on what's going on with his VRT. We know the 12 valves faster, so Stav, thanks for stopping by. Too bad you brought the T1 though. Anyway, guys, stick around. Thank you so much for watching.